Good morning, dear students. In chapter 4, in last video, I told you about bases and alkalis, and after that, I had shown you activities related to indicators, means how indicators are used to check whether the given liquid is acid or base. After that, I had shown you the activity of neutralization reaction also by using phenolphthalein indicator. Means when I added phenolphthalein to the base, it become pink, and on addition of acid to that pink color, slightly the pink color disappear and the solution become neutral. When last drop of acid make the pink color disappear, then that solution become neutral. Now, what is neutralization reaction? It is a reaction between acid and base. Is called neutralization reaction. In this reaction, when acid and base react, water and salt are formed. In this reaction, acid and bases cancel each other. They cancel the effect of each other. Now, in your book also one activity is shown here. Activity number 3. They have taken small amount of hydrochloric acid in a conical flask and then added few drops of blue litmus to it. This color become red because acid change blue litmus to red. Now take small amount of sodium hydroxide solution and add drop by drop this solution to the acid which is red in color by the addition of blue litmus. On adding sodium hydroxide drop by drop to this red colored solution, slowly this red color start disappearing. Why? Because acidic property start decreasing and the solution start becoming neutral. क्योंकि इसमें जब हम बेस डालते हैं बेटा, एसिड के अंदर जब हम बेस डालते हैं तो ये न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन हो रहा है, ठीक है. तो इसके अंदर जैसे ही लास्ट ड्रॉप बेस का जब आप डालते हो एंड द सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट बिकमिंग ब्लू इन कलर, तो जैसे ही वो ब्लू कलर स्टार्ट होगा मीन्स दैट सॉल्यूशन एट दैट टाइम इन दिस फ्लास्क इज न्यूट्रल. तो ये चेक करने का तरीका है. आपने कई बार देखा होगा जब आपके पेट में एसिडिटी हो जाती है, आपके स्टमक के अंदर आपको थोड़ा पेन होता है बिकॉज टू मच ऑफ एसिड इज रिलीज्ड इन योर स्टमक. आपको अनईजीनेस होता है उस टाइम पर. तो उस टाइम पर क्या लेते हो आप? मार्केट के अंदर बेस की टैबलेट आती है जिसे हम एंटासिड्स कहते हैं बेटा. वी यूज टू टेक दैट. और एंटासिड्स क्या करती हैं? ये एंटासिड्स क्या करती हैं? दे न्यूट्रलाइज द एसिड प्रेजेंट इन अवर स्टमक. जैसे येलो वास्प जब आपको काटती है, आप देखना आप उसके ऊपर अचार लगाते हो आम का. आम का अचार खट्टा होता है. येलो वास्प जब भी स्टिंग करती है, आपको डंक मारती है, तो क्या करती है वो आपके अंदर बेस छोड़ देती है. एज सुन एज इट रिलीज द बेस on applying acid which is present in pickle you get relief. जैसे आप उसके ऊपर अचार करते हो आपको रिलीफ मिलता है. Why? It is due to neutralization reaction. Some more example of neutralization reaction by using the mineral acid and bases. For example बेटा NaOH जिसके पीछे OH बेटा, these are the bases. like this one is base, this is base, this is base. And strong acid we are taking here. These are mineral acids, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. When sodium hydroxide reacts with HCl, you can see here this OH and H combine to give water, and we are left with NaCl salt. This is NaCl salt. So we are having salt and water. When acid and base react, they give salt and water. Similarly here, take hydrogen from here, OH from here, it become water. So we are left with K and SO4. So the salt become K2SO4. how the formula of the salts are formed, that I told you in the previous chapter. Like SO4 has 2 negative and K has 1 positive, so 1 will go here by putting bracket and 2 will come here by crisscross. Now one more example. Magnesium hydroxide is a base, nitric acid is an acid. On reaction of these two acid and base, this OH and this H makes water, and magnesium and NO3 makes magnesium nitrate. Again magnesium has 2 positive, NO3 has 1 negative, so 2 will come here and 1 will come here, no need of writing 1, and hence the salt is magnesium nitrate and water is formed. Now there is a method of giving the names to the salt. Common names are given. For example, if the salt salt is made from sulfuric acid H2SO4, means you will see that at the end of the salt you will find SO4. Then these salts are called sulfates. For example, look here. Here SO4 is there at the end, so this is called the salt belong to the sulfate family. If at the end there is nitrate NO3, we see that these salts are named as nitrates. And the salt which has chlorine at the end, they are called the chlorides. Look here, salts of hydrochloric acid are named as chlorides because they are made from HCl. Salts made from sulfuric acid are called sulfates. Salts made from nitric acid are called nitrates due to NO3. Similarly, salts made from sulfurous acid, means SO3 at the end, are called sulfites. Salts made from carbonic acid, this is carbonic acid, CO3 is there at the end, so they are named as carbonates. Then salts made from acetic acid, this is the formula of acetic acid beta. Here this one is the formula of acetic acid and this is the H positive ion that is present in the acid, are named as acetates. For example, CaSO4 is the salt. कैसे बताओगे कि आप CaSO4 किस एसिड और किस बेस से बना है? बेटा देखो पीछे SO4 है, इट मीन्स H2SO4 से बना है, और शुरू में कैल्शियम है, मीन्स कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से बना है. आप ट्राई करो ऐसे ही और भी बनाने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल NaNO3 है. NaNO3 इज मेड फ्रॉम नाइट्रिक एसिड. NO3 इज द एसिड, मीन्स नाइट्रिक एसिड, एंड Na से NaOH आपका बेस है. तो ऐसे ही आपके पास और भी एग्जाम्पल है. ये साल्ट किस एसिड और किस बेस से बना है. सिमिलरली ये साल्ट किस एसिड और किस बेस से बना है. बेटे ट्राई टू find out the acid and base which are required or which are needed to make these salts. ठीक है, कोशिश करो करने की, शेयर करो. कोई भी बच्चा, कोई भी स्टूडेंट शेयर कर सकता है. then I will tell you if mistake is there, I will share the mistakes or I will share the answer also, but firstly you should try. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ साल्ट्स. अब आपने साल्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ तो लिया, अब कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज. साल्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड थ्रू रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस. जस्ट नाउ यू रेड दैट salts are formed, these are the salts which are formed by the reaction between acid and base. Most of the salts are readily soluble in water. ये आमतौर पर वाटर में डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. Salts do not conduct electricity in the solid state. For example, I am having